Here you have a home power station, Econet Solar home power station. In here, basically are batteries and the patented technology of a module, or call it a very smart SIM card. That's what's in here. What you have going out through here to the roof is these lights that you can see. Okay, then outside on the roof, we have solar panel. As simple as that. So that's your box, your lights, and your panel. You go into a store, you buy one of these boxes. In store, just like a mobile phone, if you don't know how it works, they put a SIM card in, they lock it, it's locked to this unit becomes you. They get, at that time, a cell phone, whatever phone it is, and they register your SIM number to this box's unique patent SIM card. Okay? We've just noticed all these lights are flashing green. So that means this is working, there's airtime, it's topped up, it's working. Okay? So now basically it works just like any other light. You come in and you switch your lights on and off. This is a 4-light system. I'm flicking the switch, the light's coming on and off. If I flick that switch, the next light comes on and off. It's showing me it's got power. It's showing me, well, it's not charging, but it's charged. The batteries are full, as you can see. And there's not as the batteries, just like a mobile phone, if the batteries are less, this light will come on. If it turns red, then there's no batteries available. Over and above the lighting, here we have a cell phone plugged in. It's able to charge one cell phone. So there's no more need to walk to go anywhere. It's so simple. There you have a box, charges a phone, and provides lighting that's on solar power. So it's almost self-utilized.